We can do all of our parabola problems the same way. We're asked, what is the axis of symmetry for the function below? Well, doing these problems is as easy as going out to Desmos on our graphing calculator here, just desmos.com, and type in the equation. This little button here, a squared, gave me the x squared, so I typed it in and I have the graph. Now if I click on the graph, I'll notice all kinds of things. Right here it gives me the vertex, which is -110. This point here is our y-intercept, where we cross the y-axis. This is one of our x-intercepts, and this is another x-intercept. So everything they're going to ask us, we can get, and the way I made those gray lines appear, so I just clicked the red graph, and then they show up all the points of interest, and I hover over them with the mouse, and they pop up. So like we talked, this is our vertex up here. And the axis of symmetry is the vertical line that cuts down through it. Because our vertex was -110, then our axis of symmetry is going to be x equals -1. This point is the y-intercept, and these 2 points are both x-intercepts. No matter what form they give us our parabola in, whether it's standard form like this or if there's a bunch of parentheses in, all we have to do on Desmos or our graphing calculators is type it in exactly how it is and then explore the graph. Good luck with this study on it.